Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. I'm getting ready for my middle university engineering classes, and I can't wait to share my experiments and projects with you. We'll explore how engineers apply scientific principles to improve our world and make society more sustainable. So I'm Bill Holder, and I'm a civil and environmental engineer. We're going to learn about several different engineering disciplines, what they do, and how they use materials in creative ways to design things to be affordable and last. So what am I doing with the roll of toilet paper? Ha! You'll have to attend my class to see how you can use what seem to be low-strength materials like toilet paper to strengthen other low-strength materials sufficiently to resist large forces, like for instance, my 200 plus pounds of weight. See you soon!